We're at the beautiful Riverwalk in Savannah, and here comes this big boat, the Georgia Queen. It's a tour boat, dinner boat, every kind of boat, lunch boat. Look at this, what a beautiful day. Everybody's out. Everybody's out, even Lucy. Lucy's here too. Look at a beautiful day. Wow, look at there's a big container boat out that way. They're delivering things. And here's a convention center right straight across from us. And here's a big Georgia Queen. Wow! They're doing a tour ride. Beautiful day. And the Riverwalk in Savannah. Lucy made it. We brought Maddie here back in 1998, I think. We brought Maddie here. Alrighty, see you later. Look at this gigantic container boat coming up. I think it's got Nintendo's TV sets, Xbox, chips for your cars. Look at this thing. It's coming up the river. Wow, it's gigantic. Absolutely gigantic. Wow-wee. Here it is again. This thing is gigantic. Look at all the containers. Hundreds of them. I think I see one that has Nintendo's in it. The one that says Evergreen. Wow, what a delivery that is. Coming up the river. Big, big container ship. Wow-wee. Gazooey. What a great day, too. See all that? Pretty big. Man. Okay. There it goes. It's got the tugboat behind it. Helping guide it. Look at that. It's moving pretty good, too. We'll be going that way. We might find an outside place to eat and have lunch. What a beautiful day. If Ruby doesn't, keep pulling me.